Understanding Recycling and Reuse, a guide to sustainable living. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning fun and informative. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic that affects us all: recycling and reuse. We'll explore what these terms mean and why they're crucial for our planet. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started on this green journey together. Recycling refers to the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products. This includes items like paper, glass, plastic, and metal. The goal of recycling is to prevent waste, reduce the consumption of new raw materials, save energy, decrease pollution, and lower greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier environment. Key steps in recycling: collection and processing. Items are collected, sorted, and processed to be recycled into raw materials. Manufacturing. These raw materials are then used to make new products. Consumer purchase. Finally, these recycled items are bought and used by consumers. Reuse involves using items more than once in their original form instead of throwing them away after a single use. This practice can significantly reduce waste and environmental impact. Reuse can be as simple as using a water bottle multiple times, donating old clothes, or repurposing glass jars as storage containers. Benefits of reuse: reduces waste, keeps goods and materials out of the waste stream, saves resources, decreases the need for new materials and energy to create new products. Economic benefits: can save money and create local job opportunities through thrift stores and repair services. Both recycling and reuse play pivotal roles in sustainable living. By adopting these practices, we can conserve natural resources like timber, water, and minerals, save energy by reducing the need to extract and process raw materials, reduce pollution by cutting down on waste and greenhouse gas emissions, support the economy by creating jobs in the recycling and reuse industries. Real-life examples. Recycling aluminum cans saves 95% of the energy required to make the same amount of aluminum from its virgin source. Reusing old furniture not only preserves the craftsmanship but also keeps them out of landfills. Thank you for joining us today to learn about recycling and reuse. Remember, every small action counts. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can make a significant difference in protecting our planet for future generations. We hope this video has inspired you to think more about how you can contribute to a more sustainable world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. See you next time.